Hello there and welcome to this video. In the last video, I said that in this one, we would answer another traditional diversity visa applicant question. But the diversity visa program is a dynamic program, and in the last few days, a couple of things have happened, and for that reason, we are going to put that other video on hold in the interest of current events in the diversity visa program. The first of those events is the ending of the diversity visa lottery for this year 2023. That lottery is officially referred to as the DV 2025 lottery. Almost everyone is now aware that the lottery has come to an end for this year and that the results will be released in the month of May next year. That's precisely on May 4th, 2024. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to those of you, my viewers, who took advantage of our diversity visa services and allowed your entries to be submitted by that means. At this time, when there is so much negativity surrounding the provision of diversity visa related services on the internet, you repose your confidence in us and allow us to submit entries on your behalf. I know it was a hectic process that you went through to get your entries submitted, but that is how we proceed in order to increase your chances of being selected in the diversity visa lottery. So once again, thanks especially for your patience throughout the process. I wish you the very best come May 4th, 2024. Now, do not forget, in case you happen to get selected when the results are released next year, you already know the go-to place when it comes to diversity visa services, our diversity visa guidance program. And this doesn't only go to those of you who we submitted entries for, it also goes to the rest of you who are watching, who entered the diversity visa lottery and who will get selected. And in addition to those two groups, this also goes to applicants of the ongoing program DV 2024. Our diversity visa guidance program continues. Now, as I said earlier, there is so much negativity surrounding the provision of diversity visa related services on the internet, and I'm aware that many of you are listening to such negativities. But let me just say a few things. As I said at the beginning when I introduced my diversity visa guidance program, I do not expect everyone to join the guidance program. In case you are able to navigate the diversity visa process on your own, then I would say that there is no need of joining the guidance program. In case you have someone who can guide you successfully in the process, there also I would say that there is no need of joining the guidance program. But in case you cannot do it on your own and you do not have someone to guide you in the process, then the reasonable option will be to join the guidance program. There are some out there who are saying to you that we are going to steal your information, but that actually doesn't make sense. I have no need of someone else's information. I use your information to provide the services that you register for. They also say that we are going to take your money. Now tell them that I say it is called paying for services. When someone provides you with services, you pay in return. So that is not called taking your money. Now, some of you may be saying that you are not in the position to continue paying $20 United States on a monthly basis. I'm not asking you to stay in the guidance program forever. What I'm asking you to do is to join the guidance program, get your problems solved, and then move on. I think it is better to do that than to watch tons of YouTube videos and end up being more confused than you were at the beginning. Now, back to the issue of misuse of your information. I've said it in previous videos. I've been working with diversity visa entrants and applicants for the past 10 years. Working with diversity visa entrants and applicants means that I have been submitting their entries to the diversity visa lottery, and I have been guiding them through the process. And this entails handling of their information. But one thing I can tell you is that throughout that period, there has never been one incident of information leak. So if your fear has been that your information will be misused, then you are in the wrong location. I don't misuse people's information. In order to know how your information is handled, go to my diversity visa guidance platform and read the privacy policy. And then when it comes to the payments that members make, I've already addressed that. You are paying for the services that you are receiving like you pay for any other services. So if those have been your concern, then I can say that there is no need of you staying away from the guidance program. Join today in case you have the need to join. So once again, thanks to those of you who reposed your confidence in us and allowed us to submit entries on your behalf. And then secondly, the guidance program remains your solution in case you do not have the possibility of navigating the diversity visa application process on your own. The second event that has occurred in the diversity visa program is the publication of the visa bulletin for the month of December, and that is what we are going to talk about in the next video. So watch out for that video very soon. Thanks for watching this one. See you, God willing, in that one.